Did you know that over 50% of people who start using budget binders give up within the first 3 months? Surprising, right? Today, we're diving into why these seemingly helpful tools might actually be setting you up for failure in your financial journey. Budget binders are popular. They promise to organize your finances, help you save, and keep you on track. It sounds like the perfect solution for anyone looking to get their money in order. But is it really? We're about to explore why budget binders might not be the financial solution they claim to be. Many people turn to budget binders with high hopes. They buy all the colorful tabs, labels, and fancy inserts, expecting that this will finally be the key to mastering their finances. But here's where things start to go wrong. First, keeping up with a budget binder can become overwhelming. Tracking every single expense manually, it's tedious and time-consuming. The excitement of setting up a new system quickly fades when you realize the daily commitment it demands. Another common issue is that budget binders often lack flexibility. Life is unpredictable, and sticking to a rigid budget can be challenging when unexpected expenses arise. Many find themselves struggling to adjust their budgets on the fly, leading to frustration and eventually abandoning the system altogether. Then there's the problem of motivation. A binder won't automatically make you more disciplined with your money. Without the right mindset and habits, even the most beautifully organized binder will just collect dust. Let's dig deeper into why budget binders may not work for everyone. First, there's the psychological aspect. For some, the act of writing down expenses and tracking everything by hand feels like a chore, not a helpful activity. This mindset can lead to procrastination or outright avoidance, making the binder more of a burden than a benefit. There are more streamlined, hassle-free solutions out there. For instance, if you're looking for a tool that simplifies your financial management without the clutter, check out our recommended budget planner, Budget Binders Planner, Ultimate 6-hole money organizer with 8 zipper envelopes and stickers. The link is in the description. There are also alternative methods that might be better suited for different personalities. Digital tools, for example, are becoming increasingly popular. Apps can automate much of the tracking and categorizing, which is less labor-intensive and more aligned with how we handle most of our lives today, on our phones. For those who are tech-savvy, a digital approach might be far more effective than a physical binder. And then there's the issue of sustainability. A budget binder requires constant upkeep. Miss a week or two, and suddenly you're buried in receipts and untracked expenses. This can make you feel like you're failing, even if you're doing well financially. Here's the real kicker. A budget binder can be completely worthless if it doesn't align with your lifestyle. If you're someone who's always on the go, or you just don't have the time or patience to sit down and meticulously update a binder, this method isn't for you. You need something that works with your routine, not against it. Let me give you an example. I had a friend who bought a budget binder, and she was so excited to start using it. But after a few weeks, the binder just sat on her desk, untouched. She realized that she wasn't the type to enjoy manual tracking, and it became more of a guilt-inducing paperweight than a helpful tool. Instead, she found success using a budgeting app that tracked her spending automatically. It was quick, easy, and fit seamlessly into her busy life. She was able to stay on top of her finances without the hassle of a binder. So to sum it up, budget binders might seem like a good idea, but they're not for everyone. They can be inflexible, time-consuming, and even demotivating if they don't suit your lifestyle. It's important to find a budgeting method that works for you, whether it's digital tools or something else entirely. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried using a budget binder? What was your experience like? Drop a comment below and let's chat about it. And if you're looking for a better way to manage your finances, check out the link in the description to explore more effective budgeting tools. Don't forget to watch our next video on financial strategies that actually work.